Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for open houses. Now, there's a couple different ways to do this. If you want to make it specific to a home, then you go listings first. And then let's just say this is my listing. I'm going to click on that. And there's a little direct link here. I'm going to copy that link. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my web and IDX feed. I'm going to go pages, and you'll see there's some options here. I really only want the lead landing and lead capture. Now there's a bunch of different options here, and you can edit all these. I'm just going to use this one, which is very generic and very basic, because that's really all I want. Now you'll see there is one already done, and let's change this to open house sign in. All right, and then we'll click on this one and you'll see it's already there. Now if I go over here, I can do select the form, and then you'll see there are a bunch of different lead forms. And then here's the URL that I copied from that listing. Now I can do this specific for every home, but what that means is I'm going to have to go in and change that every single time I do an open, or I can just go to my website, click on the search tab, and then drill this down a little bit. Not sure why it goes so far out. Right, so you can drill it down to this, and then save this URL and use that one. That way you don't have to go in and change it every single time. The other thing is I can also add a hashtag, so open house lead. Now when I do that hashtag, I can set that up so that when that hashtag comes in, it will automatically put them on the open house campaign, which will start to reach out to them. So, all right, I'm going to do add lead form. And then once I click on this box, you'll see I can start to play with everything that's in this little box. Okay. So here's the fields. I can make them required. I can not make them required. I'm going to change this to go to property info, and you'll see it changes this little button right here. I can change the font. I can change anything I want on here. Let's change the font. I don't like that font either. Let's go. Oh, there's a lot on here. Let's go that one. Okay. So I can change the font. I can change the size. I can change if it's centered. I can change all this. So you can kind of go crazy with this if you want. You can also change the back photo. So if we go border padding, background color, I know it's not on here. I know I saw it. Anyway, it's maybe if we just click it. Yeah. So if we click it, it lets us change the image, and basically you just click on it, and it'll take you to your folder, and then you can upload the photos. So if you really want to make it specific to the house, you can, copy that, put that into your folder, and then save it to the back. So that's up to you how you want to do it. But yeah, I'm not sure I want to see some guy in a robe. Anyway, I digress. Okay, so once all that is done, then you're going to make sure you change this open house sign in. Okay, and then we're going to publish it. Now, once we publish it, we also need to add it to the navigation, okay? So we're going to go custom navigation, and you'll see that it's showing here. And then we go open house sign-in page. We're going to get rid of that lead page and hit save. Now, if I go to my website, okay, it says it's all done. I refresh my website. It pops up. So if I do open house sign in, I click on that, enter in all the info. And when I enter that info, it sends me a text saying that I have a new lead, and it will also show up on my dashboard. Now, if I put that URL in there for that specific home, then it will show on the dashboard, Paul Frank, new lead, direct website, and then I looked at that particular home, and then you could call and do all that good stuff. And it will also do the campaign. If you have the campaign set up, it will also do the open house campaign. If you have, there's two of them in there now. Anyway, so it'll show you all the different things it will do for that. Now, I use Mozilla. I have a QR code add-in. So you just go to QR codes, search for QR code generator and reader, and then it will add that on there. So when I pull this up, I just click that and it gives me the QR code. Now, you just copy this URL and put it to any QR code creator that you need, and that will get you all squared away. And then you'll be ready to go. So there you go. Pretty easy. Let me know if you have any questions.